Gelateria biologica, that's organic gelateria.
Organic gelateria. Okay. Biologica, that's similar to what it is in French.
Is it?
Yeah. Wow, look at these beautiful places, man. Now I'm connected my phone to the InstaFlow, so it's a little bit more smooth. Padova is quite beautiful. I didn't know it was like this. Later we'll be going to Venice Island, so I'm really looking forward to that, of course. It's just past 12, so the church bells were ringing here, but unfortunately I didn't get out in time to capture them ringing. I love these markets. Cheap clothes, 8 euros, 15 euros. People enjoying themselves. Not so many tourists here, but I'm sure there'll be lots and lots of tourists in Venice Island later on today. It's one thing about in Europe that I really like. People are very active. They're on bicycles or walking or running, always doing something. I noticed that when I was in Sweden. Oh, look at that place. Wow. Gorgeous. I just tried on some shoes. Oh, there's my friend over there. I just tried on some shoes, like kind of a Birkenstock style, but made in Italy. The prices weren't too bad. Actually, the most expensive one I tried on was 60 euros, which for leather sandals that are really good with the cork supports, I think it's a pretty good deal. But it just didn't have my size exactly, so my feet were a little bit tight on them. I have like feet like ducks, really wide. Now, if I could find size 11 and a half, but really wide, be perfect. Be the best shoe for me. Yeah, look at that place. Wow. So in here, have a look at the clock or whatever it is. Wow. Beautiful. Coca-Cola table. And of course, pizza. I'm actually pretty hungry, so we're gonna find something to eat. Maybe some sort of small street food-ish type of place. I mean, you don't want to eat in restaurants too much here, you blow all your money. But wow, look at that small little street. Wow, so cool. Wow. Should we go over to the church? Yes. Okay, is it a church or a town hall or something? Yeah, it looks more like a sort of an old government building. It says Cenotaph? See over here? Is it maybe the old government building?
Could be.
Okay, my friend's gonna check here, the landmark to see what it is. Oh, another gelateria, I should say. While my friend looks it up, I'll just do a nice little
it just says
turn.
Historic landmark.
Historic landmark. Okay, that's what it says. Okay. Well, let's go visit the historic landmark.
I think Torre is gate.
Gate. Oh, it's a gate. Okay. Okay. All right, we'll walk towards the historic landmark. Again, look at this curve. I mean, what I'm saying is, even the small things are so well built and very old. I mean, look at the curve. Old style stones, you know, cut at the end here to help them fit together so they don't move out. Who knows how old that curb is? Wow, cool. Arroglio, how do you say it? Arroglio Tower. I need to try to pronounce my R's there. Arroglio. I have to pronounce that. I need to practice rolling my R's. Wow, nice little gate. It's not a clock. It's like a... Oh, it's the 12 signs. And when you cross the road in Italy, tourists, well, I shouldn't say just tourists, but everybody has the right-of-way. So any pedestrians, I should say, they have the right-of-way. So it doesn't matter even if you're in the fault in a way, by walking across the street, they will always stop for you. And you have no problem. It's like you don't have to be worried about being run over. So here's the view from the back. Cool lion. A winged, looks like a winged lion, yeah. Still trying to get used to my Insta flow a little bit. It's smooth, but when you sweep back to something, it kind of over adjusts. So it's not the easiest thing to handle, but when walking, it's wonderful. Okay, so now we're behind this gate in this beautiful courtyard. These trees, wow. Some sort of bistro here. Cocktail bar, rooms and suites. Padova, Piazza di Santo. Fantastic. And here's the gate from the back. See a nice view right through. Wow. Beautiful place.